Hello, and welcome to Yellow Belt of Data Engineering from White to Black Belt Learning Path. If you didn't see the previous White Belt, please go ahead and check that out. You will find the link in the description. Yellow Belt is basically about requirements to this learning path. So during this course, our intention is to check and cover all open topics for you to be ready for advanced topics of data engineering. At the end of this course, you will have enough knowledge to work as junior Python software developer or junior data engineer. This course is divided to 3 modules, and each module consists of up to 3 threads and project. We will pay attention to all topics, even to soft skill, because my target for this path is to prepare you for a job. There will be 3 threads basically in each module. During first module, you will have in thread 1 version control and system and DevOps side of things. In thread 2, you will have Python 3. In thread 3, you will have soft skills and basically business English. In module 2, we will cover all the necessary points, basically from new to intermediate SQL, Python and database connectivity, Python libs for data preparation and work with data, and again, soft skills. The module 3 will concentrate on some cloud introduction, some another soft skills, and of course the final projects, which we'll do completely on your own. This is beginner to intermediate level course, so feel free to skip any thread or module that you already know. This syllabus will help you to figure out what topics we are going to touch. There are a vast amount of courses regarding these topics, so during each module I will share some references to different free courses for you, which you will touch all the key points regarding specific topic. You don't need to pass all courses till the very end. Our goal here to collect knowledge and cover all missing points, prerequisite that we will need later in learning path. Of course, you are very welcome to find your own course as far as they will cover all the key points. It is highly recommended to do the project at the end of the course because it is designed the way to sum up all your knowledge. For better results, I have created load plan for you. No one said that it is going to be easy. Remember that you are learning new profession from scratch. It is not a course of some specific tool, so of course it will take time. From 3 to 5 hours every day is completely enough to finish this module during a couple of weeks. No need to do more and burn out. Just collect patience and keep going, step by step. Try to distribute the load during the day in order to leave your brain to rest. No need to do all in a row. So all that said, let's get our head dirty and jump right into module 1.